man. Got the cormorant. See him out there? He fishes. Yep. And then we also have the other ones I just showed you. Oh, they're there. And they fish too. And of course the geese. 72, I'm about to go grab my bathing suit and lay out. See your little head. Oh, Hank. Hank's out here with me. Ooh, lots of them out here today. Oh, got somebody over there too. Check him out. Ooh, they're all fishing. Oh, we got somebody down here. I saw somebody's head. Where you at? I saw your head. Oh, I see him. I see him. There he is. Bam. Hank, don't even think about it, bro. Don't even think about it, dude. Sounds like somebody needs to let their dog in. Or out, maybe. I'll show you a little Hanky. Here's Hank. He's hanging outside with me. Hi, Hanky. Okay. Here's this guy. Oh, did he get something? No. I've seen them grab water snakes and eat them. Oh, he just went under. Let's see what else we got out here. Good morning. Oh, God. I don't feel like this crap today. I'm not even doing anything. Hank, I don't know what you're doing, bro. But you're not... Go ahead, dude. You'll learn your place very quickly. You're gonna learn your place, Hank. And then we got that white bird down there too. He's gonna scare the crap out of that one. Anyway, I know that. Oh, there's the white one. See? Hi, little guy. Yeah, it's Hank. Jeez. Oh, look at that. Bam, right there. Right there. Perfect shot. Damn. Oh, he went right under. Oh, Hank. Hank is running back. You heard him. Look at that. Beautiful. Just another beautiful day in South Kakalaki. Damn. I got some good stuff on this video. This guy, he's walking up the embankment here. Hank is back on the porch where he knows he's safe. Anyway, alright, it's time for me to get out and get these peak hours of sun. Just gonna be laying out, listening to some tunes. Give y'all another shot of the pond. It's beautiful. It's clear. Excuse me. It's a Marine Corps veteran over there. Semper Fi, sir. Anyway, have a good day. I'm gonna tan.